quesadilla on the go. This is some 99-cent store barbacoa. Gonna make a full quesadilla this time, not even a half one. Treat myself. And then some pepper jack cheese. See how she tastes. All right. Here she goes. Not great, but not unedible. That was pretty good for a bag of unrefrigerated 99-cent store meat. Pretty good. Bay, doing 5 knots with only the mainsail. Still windy at Santa Rosa, but not really, so that's nice. I'll be going tomorrow, just 7 miles over there to Forney Cove on Santa Cruz Island. 3rd island in 3 days.
Tuesday, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Wind waves 2 to 4 feet. Northwest.
Alright, leaving Santa Rosa now for Santa Cruz. This will be my first attempt at sailing off the anchor. Gonna be more of a lift the anchor and drift and then raise the mainsail, but it'll be sweet not having to start the engine. Wind's pretty mellow, and Santa Cruz is only 7 miles away. It's 9:30, should probably be there by noon. Be a sweet little sail. Alright, that went pretty well. We're sailing, no engine, sweet. Bye, Santa Rosa. Well, doesn't get really too much better than this. About a mile out from Santa Cruz and Forney Cove. Just motoring in now. Book says west end of the cove. It's kind of like a reef that protects it, so apparently it can get rolly at high tide. There's a high tide tonight at 11, so I might have an interesting sleep. Rolly out here for sure, especially without the mainsail, but it looks flat in there. All anchored up. guy in a truck pulled up. I didn't even know you could get trucks out here. I wonder what he's up to. I left Forney Cove about an hour ago, and I'm rounding Morse Point to the south coast of Santa Cruz, shooting for Willow anchorage today. About a mile away from Willow's anchorage. Things have gotten kind of rowdy, but that's all right. Hopefully it's calm in there. Find out. Well, that anchorage looked really tight, so I said big fuck that, and I'm going on to the next anchorage called Coach's. Coach's Priority or something. Really proud of this sandwich. Whew. All right. See you, Coaches. Robbie at the helm. I can go dick around up front. We're good to go. Looks like some pretty light wind. This will be really nice. Nice. Got out from behind the point and finally picked up a little wind. Blowing pretty perfect. That's Anacapa. We're just approaching Smugglers now.